What's going on, everybody? Solieka here, and I really do despise Super Duper Mayor. You know, we all know that she's corrupt. We all know all the bad things. But what I do want to say is some of these trustees, there's 2 of them that I don't align with, but 4 of them I really do give mad props to. And we're going to give them some shout outs. We've got Jason House. Jason House seems like an upstanding guy. I don't live there, but just from the demeanor of what I've seen, seems like a pretty upstanding guy. You've got Brittany Norwood. Once again, seems like a very outstanding, trustworthy person, very forthcoming about information and very forthcoming about anything. You've got Tammy Brown. She has publicly said things, that she's done that, now she maybe or maybe not regretted. Not saying any of that. Just saying all these who else? It was Kiana Belcher. Once again, all these people are very forthcoming and they're trying to be as truthful as they can possibly be. And I give them mad respect. Have the utmost passion for them because they are in a uphill battle going into what they're going into. They're going up against a corrupt, tyrannical mayor, and her whole administration's about to take a fall. But we're going to play something positive. You know how Tiffany's always like, oh, you never play the good stuff. You never play the good stuff. Well, we're going to play this video because what Miss Super Mayor did on Easter Sunday to this little kid is despicable. But we're going to play this video and we're going to talk about it. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff, and I'm out. Solieka, deuces.
This week that really struck a nerve to me. We are not responsible for what our police officers do. We would hope that they would do what's in the best interest of the community. But the video that went out with Miss Hill getting put out and that baby crying really touched me because it was like you were ruining a special moment for a little child.
Now what you're about to witness, this is on Easter Sunday. This is almost, I'm a loss for words. Thank you, Super Mayor, for doing this. You're the best.
No, you're not. Sir, no, I'm not. No, we're not. No, we are not. No, we are not. Tell us why. You're making up a lie. You're harassing us. You're harassing us. You are harassing us. And you see my grandson standing here. This is your last go round here. You know what I'm saying? You keep violating me and harassing me. I'm out in public, in a community that I live in.
1 through 4 first. Ages 1 through 4 first.
Because he's lying.
1 through 4.
And you signing off on it? Y'all not gonna intimidate me in my neighborhood.
And this is what's starting to happen in Dolton. The residents are starting to stand up. Same thing in Thornton Township. The people are starting to fight. They're getting sick and tired of getting bullied, getting harassed, getting tickets, this, that, and the third. All by this tyrant, Super Mayor, Super Duper Mayor. People they're waking up and they're getting sick of it. And I bet you 100% Tiffany, she knows it. Super Duper Mayor knows that she ain't got the control anymore. She knows she's out of control and the walls are closing in on her. You going to jail. You going to jail.
You going to jail. You going to jail.
In a minute, and you ain't acting like. No, you're not. He's not. No, that's what he wants.
I can say what I want because what I'm saying
don't touch my son. Don't touch my son.
He know what I'm saying.
He don't have no warrant for his arrest. He don't have no paperwork or nothing.
You ain't no real man.
No.
What are you doing? Don't tell
Look what
him
this
no.
officer is doing.
That's him.
You will be in here.
I'll be there.
You ain't no man.
You know what? I've been here day. Officer Harris, he seen me here all day. You want me to show you all my video? Officer.
This is Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday. And they're doing this to this family, and the mayor just doesn't like the woman. So Tiffany wants the woman removed, which entails the kid has to be removed.
This is bullshit.
Harris, y'all gonna violate me again? Officer, because he got him upset. Shut up, you know what? I'm gonna have the marshals get you. The marshals getting you. You're a coward. You ain't gonna do nothing to my son. Look what you doing. You gonna let him violate my rights? We at a public affair. Don't put your hands on my son. Don't put your hands on my son.
I got it.
Don't try to calm him. You just stood beside him. Don't try to calm him. All y'all, don't man me. Y'all, you can't keep nothing. You violate my rights. We had a public affair. We had a public affair, and y'all violating our rights.
I can't believe what's happening. Stay to the end. I promise you, it's about to get better. But this is wrong in so many ways.
You know what? You ain't go find the court papers. Have they shown them to you? You're a sellout and a nothing human being. I'm a real human being, and y'all can't deal with it.
So today we wanted to make sure that he won't look at Easter so in a negative way. Miss Hill, are you here? Come on.
And this is what you're supposed to do as an adult, is to make sure that the kids remember the good times. Creating bad memories will have a lasting impact on children's lives.
We can stand right there. Hey, how you doing? We don't take this lightly, and when you have little kids, they want to remember those moments. So we want him to make sure that he does see the Easter bunny, and the trustees got him a special little basket, because we don't want that negative light on our community, especially when it affects the kids.
This is awesome what the trustees are doing, because, you know, Super Mayor always wants to show what she does, but when she does stuff like this and ruins a kid's friggin' Easter, I'm glad the trustees are actually showing compassion. Something that Super Mayor lacks a lot of is compassion.
Come on. But this is not about anything political. It's about these things impact small children, and we don't want him to think of Easter as a negative thing. So we just wanted to make sure that he had an Easter basket.
Yeah, and I'm glad Kiana Belcher made that very clear. This isn't a political stunt. This was something to try to remedy something that the Super Mayor, because of her narcissistic ways, all she wants to do is be in control. If it's not her way, it's the highway. And for her to get the goons of the Dolton police or whoever they were to kick out this family because she doesn't like them, this is unreal. You know, the one thing I would say about all of this, you know, I've been looking into the gun laws of Illinois, and unfortunately, Illinois is not a place that my concealed weapons permit transfers to. So I'm not a big, I personally do not go to states that I cannot carry in. That's why I will never go to New York. That's probably why I will never go to California, because the laws are, in same thing with Illinois. I can't carry there, so I won't go there. I actually have family in Illinois, but for me, it's hard for me to go to see them because I can't carry there. If I could carry in Illinois to protect myself from the goon squad of Tiffany Henyard, it might be a different story. But unfortunately, you have to be a resident of Illinois to be able to carry with their concealed weapons permit. Illinois is not an open carry state from what I do know, and it's unfortunate because if it was, or if I could carry, I would make a trip up there. I would love to go to one of these Thornton Township meetings or one of these Dolton, Illinois meetings and let her have a piece of my mind. I would love to meet all the goon squad because I'm not scared of the cops. I'm just scared of friggin' what could go on in Chicago. And we all know about Chicago. This is the southern half of Chicago, so yeah. But anyway, that's not what this is about. This is all about the positive that, what the trustees are doing, trying to remedy a situation that was created by the mayor. So, don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And wait till the next video. Soliaker. Deuces.